Uric acid is a waste product that's produced when the body breaks down purines, substances found in certain foods and drinks. Typically, uric acid dissolves in the blood, passes through the kidneys, and is then excreted in urine. When this process is disrupted, uric acid can build up in the bloodstream, a condition known as hyperuricemia. If left unchecked, hyperuricemia can lead to various health issues, including painful gout, kidney stones, and even kidney failure. Gout is a type of arthritis that's most commonly associated with high uric acid levels. It can cause sudden and severe attacks of pain, redness, and swelling, usually in the big toe or other joints. On the other hand, uric acid kidney stones are hard crystals formed in the kidneys that can cause severe pain and urinary problems. In this video, we'll delve into how dietary and lifestyle changes can help manage uric acid levels effectively and prevent these health complications. By understanding the link between our diet and uric acid levels, we can take proactive steps to lead a healthier life. Symptoms of high uric acid levels. Understanding the symptoms of high uric acid levels is crucial for timely diagnosis and management. While hyperuricemia may not always exhibit symptoms, when they do occur, they can manifest as episodes of severe pain, redness, and swelling in the joints, known as gout. Typically, gout attacks happen suddenly and often at night. The most common site of a gout attack is the base of the big toe, although it can affect other joints as well. Uric acid can also form kidney stones, leading to symptoms such as sharp pain in your back or side, blood in the urine, and frequent urge to urinate. These stones can be extremely painful and may even lead to kidney damage if not treated promptly. Other signs of high uric acid levels may include fatigue, reduced urine output, and a yellowish color in the skin or eyes. It's essential to seek medical advice if you experience any of these symptoms, as they may indicate not just high uric acid levels, but other serious conditions too. Awareness and timely medical consultation are key to maintaining overall health. Several factors can contribute to high uric acid levels or hyperuricemia. One of the primary causes is consuming foods and drinks rich in purines, such as red meat, seafood, and alcohol, particularly beer. The body breaks down purines into uric acid, so a diet high in these substances can lead to excess uric acid. Genetics can also play a part. Some individuals may inherit a predisposition to hyperuricemia and related disorders such as gout. This could be due to genes that affect uric acid production or excretion. Medical conditions and certain medications can also lead to increased uric acid levels. Conditions like obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and kidney disease can interfere with the body's ability to remove uric acid effectively. Diuretics, aspirin, and some immunosuppressants, among other medications, can also raise uric acid levels. Lifestyle factors like a sedentary lifestyle and high stress levels can further exacerbate the issue. In the following sections, we'll discuss how to tackle these factors and maintain healthy uric acid levels through diet and lifestyle modifications. Modifying one's diet is a key step in managing high uric acid levels. The goal is to lower the intake of purine-rich foods as they break down into uric acid, contributing to higher levels in the body. Start by reducing consumption of high purine foods such as red meats, organ meats, seafood like mackerel and scallops, and certain types of alcohol, especially beer and hard liquors. These foods and beverages are more likely to increase uric acid levels. Increasing intake of low purine foods can also be beneficial. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and low-fat dairy products. Additionally, reducing intake of sugary foods and beverages, especially those sweetened with high fructose corn syrup, can help manage uric acid levels. Fructose is the only carbohydrate known to increase uric acid levels, hence cutting back on it can be beneficial. Lastly, maintaining a healthy weight can help the body process uric acid more efficiently. Overweight individuals tend to have higher uric acid levels, so managing weight through a balanced diet can be very effective. Next, let's dive deeper into the specifics of foods to avoid and foods to include in your diet. To lower uric acid levels, avoid high purine foods like red meat, organ meats, and certain seafoods such as anchovies and scallops. Alcohol, especially beer, can also increase uric acid levels, so moderation is key. High fructose corn syrup in sugary foods and drinks should be limited, as fructose can raise uric acid. Some vegetables like spinach and asparagus may contribute to uric acid levels, but are generally less concerning than animal-based foods. Focus on managing your intake of these items to help control uric acid levels effectively. To manage uric acid levels, include low purine and anti-inflammatory foods in your diet. Cherries and citrus fruits like oranges can lower uric acid levels thanks to their vitamin C content. Low-fat dairy products offering low purine protein aid uric acid elimination. Whole grains like brown rice and oats, along with lean proteins like poultry and tofu, are beneficial due to their low purine content. Certain fish, like salmon, are preferable over red meat. Hydration is key for diluting uric acid and promoting its excretion. Stay well hydrated for optimal health. Aside from dietary modifications, certain lifestyle changes can also significantly influence uric acid levels. Physical activity is one of these essential changes. Regular exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, which in turn aids in managing uric acid levels. Overweight individuals tend to have higher uric acid levels, so a consistent exercise routine can be incredibly beneficial. Stress can contribute to an increase in uric acid levels, making stress management techniques valuable. Practices like yoga, mindfulness, and meditation can be effective in reducing stress levels and promoting overall well-being. Limiting alcohol intake is another crucial step. Alcohol, especially beer, can interfere with the removal of uric acid from the body. Even wine, though lower in purines, should be consumed in moderation. Adequate hydration is essential, as it helps the kidneys to flush out uric acid more efficiently. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, though individual needs can vary. Lastly, regular health checkups are vital for monitoring uric acid levels and adjusting your diet or lifestyle changes as needed. In our final minute, we will wrap up our discussion. In conclusion, managing uric acid levels is a comprehensive process involving diet modifications and lifestyle changes. To recap, aim to decrease intake of high purine foods, alcohol, and sugary foods. Focus more on incorporating low purine foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet. Staying well hydrated can significantly help in the efficient elimination of uric acid. Lifestyle changes like regular physical activity and stress management can also play a significant role. Furthermore, regular health checkups are crucial for monitoring uric acid levels and making necessary adjustments to your diet and lifestyle. Every individual is unique, so what works best can differ. Always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice. By adopting these habits, you're promoting a healthier lifestyle, effectively managing your uric acid levels and reducing the risk of related health complications. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.